I'm in front of the beautiful chocolate and Rosas y Xocholate. Beautiful boutique hotel on Paseo Montejo. So great place to meet friends. They have a lovely restaurant and it's right on Paseo Montejo. So lovely street to walk up and down. Let's go in now and see where the art is located. This is the main entrance to the hotel, and as you can see there's a lovely deck for having breakfast. Right. Let's see what's in the main lobby. So there's art on display in chocolate and roses on the walls of the restaurant, and then also when we go out into the hallway, there's also art displayed on the walls. So it's a beautiful boutique hotel. This is the courtyard. We are on Paseo Montejo and we can see an exhibition of photography by Wolfgang Votes. So all the photography is on display on the street for all passers-by to visit. So we're walking along Paseo Montejo now, taking in the exhibition of Wolfgang Votes. So it's photography. On one side, the photographs are described in English, and then on the other side, they're described in Spanish. Here's a photograph of L'Arc de Triomphe in Paris, covered up maybe for repairs. Interesting. Oh, this one. London Mastaba. So, big structure that was in the river in London at some point in time. The floating piers, look at this. The floating piers. Recount in Italy. A small room upstairs at La Sala Art Gallery. Is this a painting or mixed media? Collage work. And sculpture, hanging sculpture. Oh, there's a dog.
Oh,
With the French flag. The only ones in a hurry are those who don't know where they're going.
Because the story is really fun.
Mm-hmm.
The title of this is El Piojo Feliz. That means the happy life. So it's the hair of a lady
Yes.
who put a spray on the hair.
Oh,
But the lights are living
in the hair.
And
Okay.
it's funny because the spray
Yes.
makes the book happy.
Right.
Yeah.
So please tell me the name of the artist.
The artist is Alma Citlali.
See.
She's a young artist.
Okay.
And
And the material.
the material is spray linoleum
Print.
carving
Yes.
and print on a special paper.
Okay.
And the paper is created here in Merida
Okay.
with a local plant, trying to support the ecology.
Okay. Beautiful. So we have sculpture, print work, and paintings. Let's go to the main room to look at this beautiful painting here.
This is artwork. This is of Abel's Vasquez work.
Okay.
She is the principal artist here.
Yes.
With paintings in color, in acrylic with sand, and watercolor.
Acrylic with sand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a special technique that,
So the sand is incorporated
yeah.
into the paint. Beautiful.
With many layers of material,
Okay.
and sometimes it's crushed, so then put water and move the different layers to come on the colors.
Yes.
Yeah.
And please tell us about your sculpture.
My sculpture is it's the importance of the female human being.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, because my English is not
That's
perfect.
okay. Your English is better than my Spanish.
Okay.
So the female form.
Yeah. Yeah. It's important for me. The female like a symbol of power.
Okay.
It's important the connection with Mother Earth
Yes.
and reflects in this moment what happened with us and the relationship with the Earth.
Okay.
Yeah. So I mix elements of the nature
Mhm.
with elements of the human being. For example, this piece, you can see elements like the face and arms,
Yes.
and hands, but in this area is a plant.
Oh, a plant.
Yeah, it's a plant for, I don't know how do you say in English,
Is it wheat?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
wheat.
Yeah.
Interesting. Just woven into her hair.
Yeah. In another, for example, that one
Yes.
is the mix of a butterfly fish with a hair of the
Okay.
women.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Beautiful. So this is your home and an art gallery.
Sorry?
This art gallery is also your home.
Yes, we live here. Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Beautiful space
Thank you.
with high ceilings.
Look at this. This is a woman,
Yes.
but the shape of the body is a car. This is the symbol of when the Mesoamerican culture was born.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
These two sculptures are my
My
daughter.
daughter. Okay. And what is her name?
She's name is her name. Sorry, her name is Aura Mesli.
Aura Mesli. Aura Mesli.